Hi, welcome to Unjumble the Rashi number 5. Unjumble the Rashi number 5, the basic overall layout of this Rashi is a Dibra Maschil, the words that are quoted from the Pasuk. Number 1 is a Kasha, the question. Number 2 is Teretz Aleph, answer 1. Number 3, Teretz Base, answer 2. And section 4, the last part, Teretz Gimel, answer 3. So the Dibra Maskell again is not numbered. I'm not testing on that specifically in the Unjumble test, but they need to be aware of it. And there are 4 parts, a question and 3 answers, which make up the 4 sections of this Rashi. And just to go straight into the Rashi, and here we are, and we'll have a look at it. It starts off with the Dibra Maskell, Ben Zekunim, a son of his old age. So the Kasha is, that's section 1. Why is he called the son of his old age? So if we go straight to the actual layout over here, and if we look for the Kasha, there's the subheading. We'll number it number 1 since it's the first part. This has already been filled out. We'll just move it to the side here, and it is, why was Yosef called the Ben Zekunim? Why was Yosef called the son of his old age? Because we actually know that Binyamin was the youngest, so he should have been Yaakov's son of his old age. So we go back over here to the Teretz, which is Teretz Aleph, answer 1. That's section, that is the second section of the Rashi. Shenelo Lezik Nose, because it was born at the time of Yaakov's old age. So the Hebrew is pre-filled in again. This is Teretz Aleph. There it is, Teretz Aleph, and that's section 2. Shenolad Loi, that Binyamin was born, that Yosef, that he was, referring to Yosef, born to him, La'ezik Nosai, at the time of his old age. And again, the Hebrew has been pre-filled in for you on this video just for the sake of speed, but the boys again, as usual, write in the Hebrew as well as the English to show that they know the translations and the sections. So he was born to him, Yosef was born to Yaakov, Lezik Nosai, at the time of his, Yaakov's old age. Okay, the next section is Teretz Base. Rashi gives a second answer. The Uncle's Tirgame, Teretz Base is Uncle's translates it as Baruch Hakim Hulei was a wise son to him. Yosef was a wise son to Yaakov. Kol Mashalamed Mishem ve'Aver. All that Yaakov learned from Shem and Aver, Masar Loi, he gave over to him. Yaakov gave over to Yosef. So Teretz Base, that's section 3. Vunklis Tirgame and Onkelos translates Baruch Hakim Hulei, he was a wise son to him. Kol Mashalamed, all that he learned, that was all that Yaakov learned. Mishem ve'Aver, from Shem and Aver. I'm not sure how to write Aver. I'll just write it in Hebrew, showing Aver. All that he learned from Shem and Aver, Masaloi, he gave over to him. And that was section 3. And the 4th section is Teretz Gimel, answer 3, Davar Acher. Another explanation, Shehaya Ziv Eikonin Shaloi, that his facial features, Yosef's facial features, Domelo, was similar to his, was similar to Yaakov's. So we write that in for the 4th section, and it happens to be number 4 as well over there. Davar Acher, another explanation, Shahaya, that it was Ziv Eikonin Shaloi, his facial features, Domaloi, similar to his. And as you can see, the Rashi is now unjumbled. We've got the numbers written in the boxes, the correct numbers in the boxes to unjumble the subheadings with the English and the Hebrew that the boys have to write it underneath. That concludes Unjumble the Rashi 5. Thank you.